And we're back to learning Photoshop in here, day 327. Let us talk about the units and rulers preferences. Once more, we can find them under Edit Preferences. Should be somewhere in the lower third. We have 4 options. The units, you can set them specifically for the rulers, so the rulers that you can see on top and left. Then the type, this controls the unit used for the font size. So when you create text, if there's not a good reason for you to change it, I would advise you to keep the default, which is pixels for the rulers, or at least the unit that's set for the document. In my case, that is pixels here. It will be automatically set for rulers as well. And for the type, points. Then we have the column size. This is mainly used for layout, print design. The width, this determines the default width of the text columns, and the gutter is then the space in between these. So you can specifically set that as well. The new document preset resolutions. It's also a question of printing, usually 300 dpi, this is dots per inch. This is standard high quality printing, so keep that if you want to have the best results. Sometimes magazines use 240 dpi, and for low quality prints they even go down to 150, but 300, as I've said, that's a recommendation for the highest quality. Screen resolution, traditionally 72 is fine, especially for web and digital projects. So this is not for the printing anymore. This is this is for screen-based, web-based projects. Again, if you don't have a specific reason to go lower, then keep that to 72. Finally, points and pico size. This controls how Photoshop calculates the typography measurements. PostScript, this is, as far as I know, the industry standard. And here we have the 72 for the screen resolution again. So 1 point is then 1/72th inch, you could say. This is the recommended option, and that's mostly used in digital and print workflows. But there's also a traditional, which adds this 0.27. It's rarely used today, but in older typography, you might actually encounter that. Once again, if you're not sure what to use or what's been used in your project, then keep it to PostScript. As I've said, this is now the standard. And these are the preferences under units and rulers. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.